Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to edit a saved place in Waze. So Waze lets you update the details of places you have saved, such as your home, work, or favorite locations. So actually guys, first you will need to open Waze on your smartphone and then just tap the search icon or the search bar that's located at the bottom of your screen. So yeah, you will need to tap on the saved option or tab, okay? And then you will need to scroll or find the location you want to change, and then just tap the three dots menu next to the saved place. So for example, I will go with that one, the last one. And here you can update the available information such as the place name, the address, or even you can remove it, rename it as I told you, or add a shortcut for it, right? And then just select edit or save. So the updates, or you can update the available information such as I told you, the place name or address, etc., and check that the location on the map is correct. Then tap save to confirm your changes. So if you need to change the address, or if the saved location has moved or the pin is incorrect, just edit the location and search for the correct address and make sure the map pin is positioned accurately before saving. So your updated saved place should then appear with the new information the next time you access your saved locations. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.